Hi, my name is Joel Etaps, and today I want to talk about Dairy protocols. Now, what is Dairy? Dairy is actually an abbreviation gotten from derivatives. Now, Dairy protocols enable decentralized trading of derivatives such as perpetual contracts and options. It is designed for DeFi users who want on-chain exposure to various assets without needing decentralized exchanges. Now, what are the key features of dairy protocols? Now, you have on-chain derivatives trading, perpetual contracts, we have options, and we have liquidity pools and cross-chain functionalities. Now, all these features are actually 100% decentralized, right? And it's very easy to use and on multiple blockchain networks, including Supra. So, I wanted to give it a try today. Check out Dairy at dairy.io or supra.com/ecosystem. Thank you.